In this video, I'll be showing you how you can switch from Uber Bicycle to Uber Car. The first step that you have to do is to check if your vehicle that you are registering to is eligible for the switch. So just head into this article that was provided by Uber in order to complete the steps. First is to click on the vehicle requirements and you will see all the minimal requirements provided if your car is eligible for the switch. Scroll down until you see this part. Since if your car met this requirements, you are more likely to achieve the switch. Like if you have 4 doors for your car, the seat has a 4 to 7 passenger plus the driver, and these are not taxis, X-taxis, government, X-driving school, and branded or rebuilt vehicles. And once you have confirmed that, you just need to head back into the previous page and click on the delivery person requirements. Now, I want you to scroll down until you see the sign up to deliver by car, since you need to read onto this part since we are switching to bicycle to a car. And once you are done reading on that, you just need to head back into the previous page and contact the support team of Uber to provide the further details regarding your switching from bicycle to car. That's it. That's how you can switch from Uber bicycle to car, and thank you for listening.